Hi y'all, my name is Kara Luckett, and I'm a junior here in forensic biology. I've been working for Adventure West Virginia for the last year, both as a trip leader as well as a program support staff member. When it comes to winter gear, Adventure West Virginia has a lot to offer, not just skis and snowboards, but snowshoes and winter backpacking gear as well. Not only do we have one of the largest rental fleets in West Virginia, but we also offer up our equipment for very inexpensive prices. For example, our ski package was only $16 a day, or you can even have a snowboard package for only $23.50 for a whole weekend. You can stop in at the Outdoor Recreation Center Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. or most Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can also reserve equipment ahead of time through our updated online reservation system. Go ahead and check Adventure West Virginia's rental gear website for more.
Hey, my name is Bradford. I'm a senior exercise physiology major, and for the last 3 years I've had the opportunity to work with Adventure West Virginia as a trip and program leader as well as a program support student staff member. One of my favorite parts about working at the Outdoor Rec Center here is getting an opportunity to wax and tune up our ski and snowboard fleet. If you have a ski or snowboard that needs some work done or you're just curious about the process, we have a couple upcoming workshops that you might be interested in signing up for. On Wednesday, January 19th, we have a waxing workshop where you can get to bring your ski or snowboard and we'll walk you through the entire process and you'll get to wax your board yourself. And on the following Thursday, we have an edging workshop where you'll learn how to sharpen the edges and get your board primed and ready for the slopes. In addition to the workshops, we have some opportunities for you guys to get out and hit the slopes. Every week we do a shuttle to either Seven Springs or Wisp Resort, alternating each week, as well as a couple full weekend days to Timberline Resort. And don't worry if you don't have a car or transportation to get out there, because these programs are completely supported by Adventure West Virginia vehicles. If you're interested in signing up for one of these trips, check out the Adventure WVU website or check out WVU Go for a trip sign up.
So come on in and grab some gear today.